Picture this. It's Saturday morning, your car looks like it's been through a sandstorm, and you're standing there with a bucket, soap, and dread in your eyes. You think, this is going to take all day. But what if I told you there are car cleaning hacks so clever that you could get your car spotless, inside and out, in half the time, using stuff you already have at home? We're talking about the tricks that professional detailers use, but they'll never tell you. From toothpaste to cooking spray, these hacks will make your car shine like it just rolled off the showroom floor without breaking a sweat or your wallet. So if you love your car but hate spending hours cleaning it, buckle up. Because today on Care Expert, we're revealing 10 car cleaning hacks that'll save you hours. Some of these are so simple, you'll wonder how you never thought of them before. Ready to make cleaning your car fast, easy, and actually fun? Let's get right into it. Hack number 1. Use a hairdryer to remove stickers and residue. Got an old parking sticker, dealership decal, or bumper sticker that just won't come off? Don't scrape it. Heat it. Use a regular hairdryer on medium heat and aim it at the sticker for about 30 seconds. The warmth softens the adhesive, allowing you to peel it cleanly without damaging your paint. Any leftover residue? Rub it gently with a bit of cooking oil or rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth, and it'll vanish instantly. This hack beats scraping tools that can scratch your car's surface, and it works wonders on window decals too. You'll have your glass and paint looking like new. No sticky mess, no hassle. But before you admire that shiny glass, let's tackle something that makes every interior look nasty: your air vents. Hack number 2, use a foam brush or makeup brush for air vents. Dusty air vents are a nightmare. Wiping them never gets between the slats, and blasting air just spreads the dirt. The fix? Grab a cheap foam paintbrush or a makeup brush. Lightly spray it with a bit of all-purpose cleaner, then slide it into each vent slit. The soft bristles grab dust without scratching the plastic. You can even wrap a microfiber cloth around the brush tip for an ultra-clean finish. This works better than Q-tips, and you'll breathe cleaner air immediately. Bonus: apply a little essential oil afterward for a subtle, fresh scent every time you drive. Now your air is fresh. But what about those nasty cup holders that seem to attract every crumb on earth? Hack number 3, clean cup holders with socks and a travel cup holders collect coffee spills, crumbs, and sticky grime. Here's the lazy genius fix. Wrap an old sock around a travel mug or cup, spray it with cleaner, and twist it inside the holder. The cup shape scrubs every corner perfectly. For deeper grime, let a cleaning wipe sit inside for a few minutes before twisting. If the mess is bad, sprinkle baking soda and a splash of vinegar for a quick fizzing clean. When done, wipe dry and add silicone cupcake liners to prevent future messes. Just lift them out and rinse. But if your cup holders are spotless, it's time to face your car's dirtiest area: the floor mats. Hack number 4, use baking soda and a drill brush on floor mats. Forget hours of scrubbing. Just sprinkle baking soda on your mats, spray a bit of water or upholstery cleaner, and use a drill with a brush attachment to scrub deep. The drill's rotation lifts dirt fast, while baking soda deodorizes and loosens grime. After brushing, rinse the mats with water and hang them to dry. You'll be shocked at how much dirt comes out. This combo cuts cleaning time by half and makes rubber and carpet mats look factory fresh. But while we're cleaning the bottom, let's talk about what's right above it: the car seats that silently collect everything you drop. Hack number 5, use a squeegee to pull hair and dirt from seats. If you have pets, this one's for you. Vacuuming fur off cloth seats never really works. Hair clings like glue. Instead, grab a rubber squeegee. Yes, the one for windows. Lightly mist your seats with water and pull the squeegee downward. You'll be stunned at the amount of hair and dirt it collects. The rubber edge creates static friction that lifts embedded hair your vacuum can't touch. It's a detailer's favorite trick for a reason. Once done, vacuum the loose debris and enjoy hair-free, spotless seats. Now your seats are clean, but your headlights might be dull and yellow. Let's fix that next with something you already have in your bathroom. Hack number 6, restore headlights with toothpaste yellow. Foggy headlights don't just look bad, they cut visibility too. Instead of buying expensive kits, grab toothpaste. Yes, the whitening kind. Apply a blob onto a microfiber cloth and rub it in circular motions on your headlight for about 5 minutes. The mild abrasives in toothpaste gently polish away oxidation. Wipe it off, rinse with water, and finish with a layer of wax or clear sealant. The results? Crystal clear headlights in minutes. But shiny headlights won't help if your windshield wipers are streaking up your view. Here's a trick that'll make them glide like new. Hack number 7. Wipe wipers with rubbing alcohol. If your wipers squeak or leave streaks, the rubber blades are coated with grime and oils. The fix? Wipe them with a rag soaked in rubbing alcohol. It dissolves built-up residue and restores smooth movement. Do this every few weeks and your wipers will last much longer. For an extra touch, spray a bit of glass cleaner on the windshield after. You'll notice instant improvement. Silent, streak-free wipes, even in heavy rain. Now that your view's perfect, let's handle something that smells terrible, but hides in plain sight. Your car's AC system. Hack number 8. Eliminate odors through the AC intake. If your car smells funky even after cleaning, the culprit is often your AC system. Here's how to fix it fast. Set your AC to recirculate, turn it on high and spray a disinfectant or AC cleaner into the outside air intake, usually near the windshield. Let it run for a few minutes. This kills mold and bacteria hiding in the vents. Finish by changing the cabin air filter. The result? That fresh, new car scent returns without wasting money on air fresheners. Now that your air smells clean, let's make your dashboard shine without that greasy, fake look. Hack number 9. Use olive oil for a natural dashboard. Shine, forget chemical-heavy products that leave residue. For a natural clean, apply a few drops of olive oil or coconut oil on a microfiber cloth and gently wipe your dashboard and trim. It removes dust, restores luster, and adds a UV-resistant layer that prevents cracking. Unlike silicone sprays, it doesn't attract dust or create glare. Plus, your cabin will smell subtly fresh. A small amount goes a long way. Overdoing it can make surfaces slick. Now that your car's spotless inside and gleaming outside, let's finish with one pro trick that keeps your car cleaner for longer. Hack number 10. Apply a ceramic spray coating. Want to wash your car less often? Invest in a ceramic spray coating. It creates a slick, hydrophobic layer that repels dirt, water, and grime. Just spray it on clean paint, wipe it off, and let it cure for 24 hours. Rain will beat off instantly, and your car will stay shiny for weeks. The best part? You don't need to be a pro. Most sprays take under 10 minutes to apply. It's the ultimate lazy cleaner's secret weapon. And there you have it. 10 genius car cleaning hacks that'll save you time, money, and frustration. From toothpaste headlights to drill-cleaned mats, these tricks are the reason pros finish detailing jobs in half the time. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Expert, and share this video with a friend who's still scrubbing their car the hard way. Remember, the smarter you clean, the longer your car stays spotless. Stay sharp, drive safe, and keep your car care game strong.